10 best places to visit in Norway. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Travel Treasure. Today, we're taking you on a breathtaking journey to the land of fjords, mountains, and stunning natural beauty, Norway. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in this Nordic wonderland. Number 1. Oslo. Welcome to Oslo, the capital of Norway. Oslo is a city that seamlessly blends modernity with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Situated at the northern end of the Oslofjord and surrounded by lush green hills, this city has something to offer every type of traveler. One of the must-visit places in Oslo is the Viking Ship Museum, where you can see incredibly preserved Viking ships from over 1,000 years ago. These vessels are a testament to Norway's rich maritime history. For those interested in modern art, the Astrup Fearnley Museum showcases contemporary works by both Norwegian and international artists, housed in a striking glass building by the waterfront. For nature lovers, Oslo doesn't disappoint either. The city is surrounded by forests and hiking trails, and the nearby Nordmarka is a popular destination for both hiking and cross-country skiing in the winter months. So whether you're interested in history, art, nature, or simply soaking in the vibrant urban atmosphere, Oslo has it all. It's a city that embodies the essence of Norway and should definitely be on your travel itinerary. Number 2. Bergen. Welcome to Bergen, a city that often serves as the gateway to the breathtaking Norwegian fjords. Situated on Norway's southwestern coast, Bergen is renowned for its natural beauty, historic charm, and vibrant culture. One of the most iconic features of Bergen is the Bryggen Wharf, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you'll find rows of colorful wooden buildings that harken back to the city's Hanseatic heritage. These buildings once housed merchants and traders and are now home to shops, restaurants, and museums. Bergen is also famous for its stunning natural surroundings. A trip on the Floibenen funicular is a fantastic way to get panoramic views of the city and the surrounding fjords. At the top, you can explore hiking trails and enjoy a meal with a view. Speaking of fjords, the Hardangerfjord, often referred to as the Queen of the Fjords, is within reach from Bergen. It's known for its lush orchards and dramatic landscapes. If you're here in spring, you'll be treated to the sight of blooming fruit trees. Adventure seekers will want to embark on a journey to the nearby Sognefjord, the longest and deepest fjord in Norway. You can take a scenic cruise through the fjord, passing by towering cliffs and gushing waterfalls. Number 3. The Gerangerfjord. Prepare to be enchanted by the breathtaking beauty of the Gerangerfjord, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's often referred to as the crown jewel of the Norwegian fjords. This magnificent fjord is located in the southwestern part of Norway and stretches for about 15 kilometers, 9 miles. It's characterized by its narrow, steep-sided cliffs, lush greenery, and numerous cascading waterfalls that seem to tumble from the heavens themselves. The most famous of these waterfalls is the Seven Sisters, a dramatic series of 7 waterfalls that plummet down from the towering cliffs. On the opposite side of the fjord, you'll find the Suder, a single waterfall that seems to be courting the Seven Sisters. One of the best ways to experience the Gerangerfjord is by taking a scenic fjord cruise. These cruises provide unparalleled views of the fjord's dramatic landscapes and allow you to get up close to the waterfalls. You might even feel the refreshing spray from the waterfalls on your face as you pass by. Another popular viewpoint is Eagle's Bend, or Nevegen, a serpentine road that climbs steeply up the mountainside, offering panoramic vistas of the fjord below. It's a thrilling drive that rewards you with some of the most breathtaking views in the region. Number 4. Tromsø. Tromsø, located in the northern reaches of Norway, is renowned as one of the best places on Earth to witness the mesmerizing northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis. This natural light display in the Earth's sky, predominantly seen in the polar regions, is an otherworldly spectacle that has fascinated and captivated people for generations. The best time to experience the northern lights in Tromsø is during the winter months when the nights are long and the skies are at their darkest. The natural phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun interact with the Earth's magnetic field, creating colorful and dancing lights in the night sky. To maximize your chances of witnessing this celestial wonder, it's recommended to book a guided Northern Lights tour with experienced local guides who know the best viewing spots and can provide valuable insights into the science and folklore behind the lights. These tours often take you away from the city lights to areas with clearer, darker skies. One of the most popular Northern Lights viewing locations near Tromsø is the Tromsøya Island, which offers relatively low light pollution and a stunning backdrop of mountains and fjords. Additionally, nearby areas like Kvaløya Island and the Lingen Alps are excellent choices for witnessing the aurora in all its glory. Number 5. The Lofoten Islands. Nestled off the northwest coast of Norway, the Lofoten Islands are a photographer's dream come true and a haven for nature enthusiasts seeking unspoiled beauty. This remote and picturesque archipelago is famous for its towering peaks, pristine beaches, and charming fishing villages. The Lofoten Islands are often described as a landscape straight out of a fairy tale, where towering granite mountains dramatically rise from the sea, creating a breathtaking backdrop for your adventures. One of the most iconic peaks is Bergen, which offers a challenging hike but rewards you with stunning panoramic views of the archipelago. The island of Moskenesøya is a prime location for witnessing the northern lights during the winter months, offering a unique opportunity to photograph the auroras dancing over the dramatic landscape. The island's villages, such as Rein and A, offer a glimpse into the rich maritime history of the region, with their charming wooden houses and fishing-related museums. The Lofoten Aquarium in Kabelvåg is another place where you can learn about the marine life of the Norwegian Sea. Adventure enthusiasts can explore the islands by kayak, go hiking along scenic trails, or take a boat trip to observe wildlife like sea eagles, seals, and whales. Number 6. Trondheim. Welcome to Trondheim, Norway's third-largest city, where history and modernity seamlessly coexist, creating a unique and inviting destination for travelers. A leisurely stroll through Trondheim's charming old town, known as Backlandet, is a delightful experience. The narrow cobbled streets are lined with colorful wooden houses, cafes, and boutiques. This area also boasts the iconic Old Town Bridge, a perfect spot for photos and views of the city's skyline. For history buffs, a visit to the Archbishop's Palace Museum offers insights into the city's medieval past. The museum's exhibits include artifacts from the Viking Age and the Middle Ages, providing a glimpse into Trondheim's historical significance. A local favorite is the Trondheim Science Center, also known as Vitensenteret. It's a hands-on museum that's fun for visitors of all ages, offering interactive exhibits that explore science and technology in an engaging way. If you're interested in exploring the natural beauty surrounding Trondheim, the nearby Bymarka is a recreational area with hiking trails and picturesque lakes. It's an excellent place to unwind and enjoy the peaceful Norwegian countryside. Number 7. Svalbard. Welcome to Svalbard, a land of ice and fire, where the stark beauty of the Arctic wilderness meets the thrill of exploration. Located far north of mainland Norway, Svalbard is a place like no other, offering a truly unique and immersive Arctic experience. One of the most iconic experiences in Svalbard is venturing into polar bear country. Guided polar bear safaris are a thrilling way to encounter these majestic Arctic predators in their natural habitat. Remember, safety is a top priority in Svalbard, and going on guided tours with experienced professionals is essential. Svalbard's stunning landscapes are dominated by glaciers, fjords, and towering mountains. Take a boat tour to explore the Fjord, where you can witness the magnificent glaciers calving into the sea. The Hornsund Fjord is another breathtaking location to explore, known for its dramatic scenery and abundant wildlife. The archipelago is also home to a variety of Arctic wildlife, including reindeer, Arctic foxes, walruses, and numerous bird species. Birdwatching enthusiasts will find plenty of opportunities to spot unique species in their natural habitats. Number 8. The Flam Railway. The Flam Railway, or Flamsbana, is a mesmerizing train journey that winds its way through some of Norway's most stunning natural landscapes. This scenic railway is renowned for its dramatic vistas, breathtaking waterfalls, and the sheer grandeur of the Norwegian fjords. The journey on the Flam Railway begins in the small village of Flam, nestled at the innermost part of the Fjord, one of the branches of the Fjord. From here, you board a train that takes you on a steep and winding ascent into the mountains. As the train climbs higher into the rugged terrain, you'll be treated to awe-inspiring views of the Fjord below and the surrounding snow-capped peaks. The railway features numerous hairpin turns and tunnels, which only add to the excitement of the journey. Number 9. Stavanger. Welcome to Stavanger, a city that combines historical charm with breathtaking natural beauty. Located on the southwest coast of Norway, Stavanger is not only a bustling urban center but also a gateway to some of the country's most iconic natural wonders. One of the most famous attractions near Stavanger is the Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, a flat-topped cliff that rises 604 meters, 1,982 feet, above the fjord. The hike to Preikestolen is a must-do adventure for visitors, offering jaw-dropping views of the fjord below. The trail is well-maintained, and the reward at the top is truly spectacular. Don't forget to explore the nearby coastal areas. Take a boat trip to the charming fjord, where you can admire the dramatic cliffs, cascading waterfalls, and the iconic Pulpit Rock from a different perspective. Adventurers will find plenty of opportunities for outdoor activities in the Stavanger region. Whether it's hiking, mountain biking, or kayaking, the stunning landscapes of fjords, mountains, and forests provide a natural playground for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 10. Molde. Nestled on the northern shore of the Molde Fjord, Molde is a picturesque coastal town often referred to as the City of Roses due to its beautiful flower gardens and parks that bloom in the summer. But Molde has much more to offer than just its floral beauty. One of the most iconic attractions in Molde is the Molde Panorama, a viewpoint that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the town, the Moldefjord, and the surrounding mountainous landscape. It's a perfect spot for taking in the natural beauty of the area and capturing stunning photos. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty of opportunities for hiking, fishing, and exploring the beautiful coastal landscape. The nearby Trollstigen, Troll's Path, is a famous mountain road known for its hairpin turns and dramatic views. There you have it, folks. 10 best places to visit in Norway, each with its own unique charm and allure. Which one would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!